Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So in the previous video I showed us how to buy voting medal, which is what we're seeing next to the heart here. We got a supporter voting medal. So but in today's video we'll be getting we'll be supporting the ton community. So first place we'll go to the tree. Let's go back. We come over here and next we head to the claim. Yeah, so we've met all of these criteria. Next is now what we want to do today is explore ton. So we want to get wPaws. So we are going to be getting wPaws. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will just be getting 10 wPaws. So we're going to be sending 0.1 ton. Alright, so let's send 0.1 ton. Alright, good. So the next thing we're supposed to do is connect our wallet. There are various wallets you can use. You can use Tonkeeper, my Ton wallet, Ton Hub. You can even use the wallet in Telegram. But I'll be sticking with Tonkeeper because that's where we have the ton to complete this transaction. So click on Tonkeeper. Alright, so the next thing we'll do is connect wallet. Now open with Chrome. Okay, good. So waiting for the transaction. It's taking longer than usual, but we'll just hold on. Okay. Let's retry. Okay, so we're heading back to Ton wallet. So we connect, which is connected now. It said done. Now we want to continue in Chrome. Yeah, so now the next thing we'll do is we confirm the transaction. So let's open our wallet. Okay, so we want to send 0.1 ton. So network fee is also, so we'll just slide through. And then we confirm transaction. So we continue. Good, so transaction successful. So we send 0.1 ton and we got 10 wPaws. So go back and now the wPaws hasn't reflected. Okay, good, that's reflected. You can now see 10 wPaws. So that's it for this video. If you have any other question, please do well to drop it down in the comment section below. And if you still think you can still qualify for the airdrop, I'll also be dropping the link down there. So see you in subsequent videos.